he said, "How much alcohol do you use? How much alcohol do you use?"
After getting questions like that from doctors and feeling roughly treated by medical staff at a Winnipeg hospital, Sadie North and her family decided to speak out.
People like my mom shouldn't be made to feel that she had to defend herself when she's sick.
North's story is one of many surfacing after the death of Joyce Echaquan. The Atikamekw woman filmed her last moments at a Quebec hospital, being verbally assaulted by medical staff. The video sparked protests, along with a meeting between federal ministers and Echaquan's loved ones who pleaded for help. Today, the federal government hosted an emergency meeting on systemic racism in the healthcare system.
We're starting to talk about this in a way that hopefully will honor the legacy of Joyce Echaquan.
The ministers heard from hundreds of medical experts and leaders, some of whom say federal health transfers should be held back if provinces don't act.
That's a strong, heavy-handed stick, and it should be played.
And in the middle of a pandemic, I think it'd be careless to suggest that.
But Ottawa is signaling there could be strings attached.
It's too quick to make leap to conclusions about what we might do if it doesn't happen. I am confident that we're going to be able to make significant improvements.
The Grand Chief of Echaquan's community hopes politics won't slow the pace of change.
We don't want to be stuck between a battle between the provincial and federal. That's one of the main things.
Now both levels of government will come up with proposals to address systemic racism in the healthcare system. They meet again to discuss those in the new year. Olivia Stefanovic, CBC News, Ottawa.